Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the smooth fade out transition in CapCut. So first, import your clips and then add a keyframe on each clip. One at the beginning and the other one is at the end of each clips. So it will go like this. Then after that, on the last keyframe or on the second keyframe of each clip, zoom the video in a bit, then go to opacity and lower it to around 50 or 60. Okay, and repeat the step for all of the clips. Okay, the last one. And then after that, go to video effects, opening and closing, and select the slanted blur. Okay, this one, and adjust the effect, the blur into 100 and rotate 50. Click on a check icon, then make it as small as possible, then place it in between the clips like this. Copy it and do this for all of your clips that you add to CapCut. Okay, the last one, and after that you are done. So you can just preview your clips for the smooth fade out transition. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.